Oh my gosh. You're awake. Good morning, darling. Did you sleep well? Oh my goodness. Your hair is certainly telling me that you did. I love it when it's like this, all fluffy and fuzzy. Makes me want to run my fingers through it all morning. But that won't get breakfast eaten, will it? Don't worry, sweetie. I know I don't normally cook for you, but I thought I'd give it a shot. This cooking thing can't be that hard. Can it? See? Now I know some parts are a little pale, and other parts are well, they're a little burned. But that doesn't change how hard I worked on it for you. How about we take a seat, sweetie, and let me feed you this wonderful breakfast that I made just for you. Huh? What's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that? Don't you trust my cooking? I don't think it's that bad, is it? I mean, it's edible. Probably. I think. Do you want me to try it first? I know it's your breakfast, and I'd hate for it to taste awful. I make this for you, sweetheart. I want it to be perfect. Okay, I'll try a bit for you. Here it goes. Oh. I don't think I'd feed that to my dead dad. Oh fuck! Oh holy fucking Jesus fucking what the oh holy fuck! Oh fuck! I can't. Fuck! I can't. What is in there?